Hi, making this video to kind of let you guys know what code editor I'm using. I am using Real Studio Code. It's a free code editor and a lot of developers are using it, and it comes with a lot of useful extensions that one can use. And once you install this, you want to go to this icon right here. It says extension on it. Click on it, and you want to install a extension called Live Server. So this is the extension you want to install. I already have installed it. With this extension, you can just go to your file and right click on it, and then you can say open with Live Server. Once you do that, your web page will open on a live server and you can see it. So one of the good thing about this is you could be having your editor and your browser side by side, and you will be able to make changes and see the changes live. So let's just say as soon as you made the changes, it shows up here on the server. If you don't have this, you will have to manually go and refresh this page every time you save something on in your file. So this is the code editor I'm using, and I just want to let you guys know, if you are want to follow along with me, you can use this code editor. And even if you use any other code editor, it's perfectly fine. With this, guys, see you in the next video.